lines receiving. After fiddling with the fucking banshee yesterday, got pissed off, went inside. So now we're gonna go throw some gas in the truck and get some cash. We're gonna go to the Ace. We're gonna see what kind of pretty colors they have, and then we're just gonna paint the top. We're not gonna paint the handlebar loop where the handlebars bolt to, because that's gonna be touched up today, hopefully. And we're not gonna paint near the rear swing arm because I'm still grinding all that stuff smooth. So let's get to this wow, get some gas, get some cash. You know what? I got a better idea. We're gonna go to Advanced and see what kind of sparkly paint they got. So we're gonna make some noise and give it old razzle dazzle to the fucking John. No idea what color this is. It's a sparkly. Oh shit. Give it a little pss, pss. This looks awful. It's sparkly. We're really gonna focus on getting this fucking pin out. It's fucking seized. I'm swinging this fucking fat hammer. There's my foot. Bitch weigh like 5 pounds. Can't get this fucking twat out. Pissing me off, man. Sparkly Jones. So it looks good. Oh, I ran out of paint. I need a lot more paint. I got fed up. Stuck the rear wheels on so I could roll it around better. And this is how I'm leaving it. Piece of shit. I ended up finding that the swing arm bolt is stuck. Got these fucking blades. Gotta do some chopping. Fuck that song, man. Ben Pipes was singing, boy. She was singing a sweet song down that street, boy. Unlike this little motherfucker where his song sucks. Yeah. This spray paint was shit. Do you mind? You're ruining my shot, asshole. Did a little choppy action to her. Oh, well, look who the fuck it is. I'm gonna fire it up some more.
I thought you were talking about the quad. I was like, fucking how? He's warming the nut up.
The block is hot, bitch.
That's a good Lil Wayne album.
I'm bored with that.
I could tell.
I forgot I put all the tools out of my service van in the basement, and the sockets I've been looking for are down there.
We're at 53 seconds already.
How the fuck? Oh.
I'm a hardcore punk kind of guy. You slap your own dick to death. I have some close-ups of your thighs on this. We're gonna get millions. I'm a grown-ass man.
I'm a grown fucking ham. I'm a grown ham. My dad owns Microsoft. Genius.
Miles is like, genius.
He's like, check out this new bream shit right here, bitch.
Pepsi box logo.
Right guy for the job, wrong tool. That's my stroke game. It's that short. So now we can take these wheels off, put this somewhere the fuck else, and just leave the frame sitting there. So then everyone's like, oh, what the fuck did you do? Oh yeah, it's penis time. You wanna see my dick?
No.
Oh yeah.
You're like a gay mechanic.
You like that shit?
I'm not a part of this.
I am a part of this. Gay Batman sex.
I am a part of this.
You are, because you zoom into everybody's fucking dicks.
I know. Well, it's a good thing.
No.
It's called business.
Business.
People like it. People enjoy that kind of stuff. I think it's pretty hilarious. This is gonna be on like Pornhub in a couple seconds. The way you keep elevating shit. You're stupid. You ever see the Eric Andre show?
Yeah, I thought that shit was gay.
Wrong tool strikes again.
No, not my brother. You gotta skillfully, sourcefully use the wrong tools. Fuck.
I could play Rush songs on the bass. I don't think you understand, Ron.
Oh, shit.
I don't think you understand how progressive rock I can be.
Turn that off. Alright.
My name's Ron. I never played Donkey Kong 64.
Fuck up!
What, are you gonna break something again? Turn it off.
What was I thinking?
Should I turn it off?
All that swinging and destruction is making me lightheaded. You should get a better angle than this.
There's your better angle. Yeah. I feel you. Keep rolling, rolling.
What?
I feel like every white guy had that Limp Bizkit phase. How you like that? Yes.
Yes! We're done!
I thought you were actually gonna throw it.
Alright, we did it. So, like, we're in the final steps of the month-long fucking teardown. Now we're to the point where Chris kicks everything. But we gotta, yeah. Concerning.
Bitch, I'm in your hood sipping tea. What the fuck is up? Damn, this car big as shit. I need to go for a ride in that motherfucker.
Damn it. Damn it. You see the sheer strength in the thumb hole down? I'm bored of this. Ignore the anal destroyer. So, we got the frame there. There's nothing on it now. Nothing. Starts just like bushing for the steering stem. You start grinding everything smooth and finishing that. And then it's off the powder coat. And we'll see what happens. So.
Bye.